So, right. Today, I'm going to be showing everyone how to fit a larder side panel. First of all, I put it on the bench, cut it up to the right size. Do you know what I mean? And then, first of all, you've got to peel the plastic back. Peel the plastic back like this so it doesn't get trapped underneath the carcass. And once you've done that, clamp the fascia up to the carcass, like so. And then we'll sort of measure. I think it's 23 mil, which is 21 mil at the moment, but 22. It's 23 mil wide. And then what you want to do is get 4x30s. My apprentice isn't getting. He's just got me 4x30s by now, you should know this. Like so.
Little whack.
And what you want to, sorry?
Little whack.
Little whack. Keep the fascia. Don't want to damage it though, but you want to keep it fairly hard.
Foam on the end of your boot.
Sorry?
Bit of foam on the end of your boot.
You're going to put some sellotape and put some foam on it. And then you want to do, say five screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or something. In between where the hinge plates go. Hinging it.
Why do we do that?
Zooming in.
Why do we do that?
Sorry?
Why do we do that?
Because the hinge plate hides the screws.
Nicely done. Nice drill, mate. Is that new?
Sorry?
Nice drill, is that new?
Oh yeah, as you saw in the last video, drill bits over there, the new one.
Nice.
That was sexual. Bear with me 1 second. Zooming in on my arse again.
And? You like it? You let us know when you want to finish the video so it's not like an hour long, mate.
Okay, cut.